Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to show you that how to create different menu and how to use in different places. For example, for this website the main menu is this much, okay? But I want to show some other menu in some other page, some specific page. Okay, so for that we will create new menu and which I will show you right now. So here in appearance you can see here is menu. Go inside. Okay, if you come here there is already one menu. Okay, you can create new menu from here. Give a name or maybe menu 2. Okay, and create. Okay, now in menu 2, what will be there? So there we don't have much pages. We want to custom, you know, we want to have custom links. So for that we will create this. So here will be like we will be has for starting, and there is one home page. Home page is always slash, but right now we are not giving anything. Add to home, add to menu, sorry. Then there is testimonial, but there's okay. For now let's give has and test. Then yes, add menu. Okay, then there is FAQs, projects, media. Okay, has. Now here it is. We will just simply save it. Okay, so our second menu is here, and let's change this. Okay, so here you can see lot of menus are there. Simply we will switch it to menu 2, and you can see that new menu has replaced, right? Now if you see from here, you can see that new menu bar is showing. That means that we have implemented a new menu. Don't forget to save it, and here is the new video of it. Let me know your thought, and if you have any doubt feel free to ask in comment, and if you want any help in project you can connect me anytime. See you in the next video. Bye bye.